Hi everyone, my name is Sarah English. I'm a chemistry teacher at Sweet Home High School, and I'm also a tech coach. And I have done quite a bit of research over the last couple of days to try to figure out how to do this live streaming and convey the content that I want to. So I made some discoveries last night, so if you already know what I'm going to go over, great, you don't have to watch this. But if you are interested in going over how to make sure that if you have a PowerPoint or a keynote, or if you want to write on it while you're presenting, I figured out how to do it last night using the YouTube streaming that we're doing. So right now I'm on my homepage for my YouTube channel, and as you've seen before from the videos that Dave has done, to get over to the live streaming, we just go to Video Manager, and then we're going to go to live streaming, and then I'm going to go to events. And I'm going to make a new live event because, of course, I'm practicing. I am going to make it private right now because I'm just practicing and I don't want anybody else to see this unless I make it unlisted, and then I'll share it with you. I'm not going to touch a single thing over here, and I'm going to go live now. I'm going to hit OK. Then we see this little green icon, and here I am. And then if I toggle up, I can see a whole bunch of different stuff, and I want my microphone on, I want my camera on. I'm just going to take a moment and bring up and make sure that my USB microphone is also hooked up, which it is, so I'm going to save that. And now here's the key thing. Off to my screen over here, I have my keynote pulled up. So I'm going to move this screen over a little bit, minimize that, I don't need that right now. But I have my keynote presentation pulled up, not launched. You can't launch the thing or it won't show up in your live stream, but pulled up and ready to go to launch. The other thing that I have that I use when I'm making my videos is that I want to be able to draw on my videos. I want to be able to work a calculation. I want to be able to underline, highlight, do all that stuff. So I have an app called Ink to Go, which is down here, and here's the icon down right. Oh, come on back. The icon down here for Ink to Go. That is a, I'm not sure if it's limited to the Mac, universe or not, but it's what I've found that works with my Wacom tablet, which is not for the faint of heart if you don't know how to use one. So I love my Wacom. I use it all the time, but it took me a while to figure out. But anyways, I have a way to annotate on the screen, so that's something to consider. So yes, I have a Blue Note microphone. I have a Wacom. That's WACOM if you are interested in checking it out. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I'm ready to do my introduction and live stream this video. Well, I am live streaming to pull up my video. So here's the thing. All right, so now I want to go to share screen. Now, if I pull up this, it's just going to show my, can I move this out of the way? Yes, I can. It's just going to show my PowerPoint, my keynote, and it's just going to show the slides, and it's not going to be able to launch. What I want to do is go to entire screen, but something real weird is going to happen. So I'm going to go to entire screen, I'm going to go to share, and then you get this looping thing, which just really looks annoying. There is a fast way, which I haven't figured out yet, but obviously you don't want this. So what you do is you have your keynote or your PowerPoint off to the side, unlaunched. You have your other screen that's live streaming right next to it. You want to go over. I'm going to click on my keynote. I'm going to go and I'm going to do play slideshow. And all of a sudden, I'm up. This is what I want my students to see. They can't see me anymore. Okay, whatever, that's fine. But now I can go down and I can click my pencil and I can start my PowerPoint keynote, whatever you want to use. I can use all my animations and my screens advance. And like I said, I've clicked on my pencil. I've got my stylus, underlining and annotating and doing all the stuff that I want to do to point out different things to my kids. Not that I'd be showing this to Regents chemistry, but that's okay. And then I delete it and I move on, and I'm going to be very careful not to make my screen disappear, which means that this is going to take practice. But overall, I can annotate it and use all my things down here with ink to go and be able to talk about what I want to talk about when I'm doing my live stream. And that's really, really important to me, that I can show them my slides, that I can annotate my screen. And then when I'm all done, I'm going to erase this. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to get rid of ink to go, which this is all very cumbersome, but I'm going to figure this out. And then I'm going to come back to here, go back to slide shared screen, and I'm back. And obviously there are some bugs that I need to work out. There's some things that I need to figure out. But the key thing here is that I've made a step forward in trying to figure out how to share a keynote, a PowerPoint, trying to figure out how to do this so our students can actually see what we're doing and see slides and see annotation if you're interested. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have more questions, feel free to email me at senglish@sweethomeschools.org. Have a great day.